Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning. Today we are going to talk about the periods. What is the period? The period is the row or it refers to all the elements in a row or in a line, as what we can see here. I referred to them many times. We have to wait until it becomes clearer. Yes, now. Yes, the first row for hydrogen and helium, then the next row, the third row, and like this. Period 1, period 2, up to period 7. Okay, now the every period, in every period the elements have specific physical properties. Yani they have related physical properties, or we can predict some physical properties from the period. The first thing and the most important thing, the atomic number. That the atomic number is increasing by 1 in every row. Let's see. Hydrogen 1, helium 2. Now, in the second period, lithium 2, beryllium 3, lithium 3, beryllium 4, then brom 5, carbon 6, 7 to neon which has 10, and so on. We will start again from the next row. Sodium 11, magnesium 12, then aluminum 13, 14, 15, 16, up to 18, and so on, and so on, all of them. Again, from potassium 19, 20, 21 to the end. This is the most important property here. Now, if we are looking at the atomic mass also, you will see that also it increases. It increases from left to right. It increases always from left. You start from lower mass. When you move to the left, it increases always. This is for the mass. Now, what about the density? Because to the left, as what you see to the left, we have solids. To the right, we have gases. And the mass is increasing from left to right. So the density, first the density increase also, because the mass increase and the volume decrease. By the way, the volume decreases. The size of the atom here, the opposite of the mass, it decreases when you move from left to right. It decreases. But what happens to the density? That means the density should increase, but actually the density increases from left to the middle. The middle is the most or the densest in the middle of the periodic table. But to the right, again the density will decrease. Why? Because we have gases. We have gases. So the density in the middle is the most, while to the right and to the left the density decreases. That's it. Yani, these are the properties that we can predict from the periodic table. But for me, I want you to concentrate on the atomic number. That the atomic number increase by 1 in every period from left to right. Okay, now we have to talk again about these two lines down. They are not periods. They are parts of periods 6 and 7. What are these groups? Lanthanides and actinides. Why they are out? Actually, they have to be in this space. You see this space? Here we have lanthanum. It has the atomic number 57. Now, this is CE here, it has 58, then 59, and they have to be in the same period. Down actinides, this AC has 80, 89. The next one, TH, it has 90, then 91, and to the end. They had to be in the same space here. But if they were in this space here, what will happen to the periodic table? It will be very, very wide. So it will be very difficult for the periodic table to be to be in one paper. So they prefer to take them and put them separately under the periodic table. That's it. This is everything about the periodic table. Okay, I want you to practice very well these two lessons, because on Sunday we will have revision. This revision we will have like competition, open chat for all grade 6. Open chat, I will ask you about, especially about the atomic number, about finding the number of neutrons, protons, and electrons from knowing the atomic number and the mass number. I will solve in front of you some examples, and inshallah we will have such examples on Sunday with all the two lessons, the atom and the periodic table. Please study very well until Sunday. Inshallah, we will meet on Sunday. Have a nice weekend. Love you all. Missed you all.